This is Naveen Duhan, and I am a PhD bioinformatics student at Utah State University. Today I am here to present NecMiner, a tool we have recently developed. This is a deep learning based algorithm for the identification of nitrification related enzyme. Before going further, let me start with some of the background. Nitrification is the foremost microbial two-step transformation in the nitrogen cycle, as it is the only natural process that produces nitrate within an ecosystem. The functional annotation of nitrification related enzyme has a broad range of applications in the field of metagenomics, industrial biotechnology, etc. The time and resources needed for experimentally determining the function of the enzymes are very costly. Therefore, an accurate computational prediction of the nitrification related enzyme has become much more efficient. Here we propose NecMiner, which is a deep learning based novel end to end feature selection and classification model training approach for the identification of nitrification related enzyme. We have divided our study in 5 parts. The first part include data gathering from different biological databases. Second, to train the enzyme models, followed by training of the nitrification class models. Then, after training, implementation of those trained model in a web server, and in the end, add some functional annotation to our predictions. Now I will discuss how we have generated the dataset for the training. We have downloaded the SwissProt release from the UniProt, and the sequences having more than 40% similarity were discarded from the data using CD-HIT. Then the sequences were splitted into enzyme and non-enzyme sequences based on the enzyme classification number. After that, a total of 28,287 enzyme and 28,287 non-enzyme sequences were selected for the training of enzyme models. We have used 8 nitrification classes for the training of nitrification class model. Because of the low number of sequence in some of nitrification class, we have performed oversampling of the data. After generating the dataset, next step was to develop a deep learning based algorithm. For that, we have used convolution neural network architecture, which includes convolution two-dimensional layer, dropout, batch normalization, max pooling, global average pooling, dense layer, and in the end a softmax function. For training of enzyme and nitrification class model, we have used 4 protein features like amino acid composition, conjoint triad, composition, transition and distribution, and quasi-order. After training, we have tested our models with independent testing. In that, for enzyme models, the CTD method performed best, whereas in nitrification class models, the quasi-order performed best. Next, we have developed a web server for real-time predictions. In this server, a user can submit protein sequence as a query. It provides 2 options for prediction. In the first option, when a user is sure that protein sequencing is an enzyme, then it will directly predict the nitrification class. In the second option, if the user is not sure whether the query sequence is enzyme or not enzyme, then it will first predict the enzyme and then it will predict the nitrification class. After that, on the result page, it will provide links to different biological databases like Brenda, UniProt, NCBI, PFAM, etc. After that, user can also predict secondary structure, tertiary structure, domains, and they can also generate the hydropathy plots. You can access this web server at bioinfo.usu.edu/necminer or you can directly scan the blue QR code on the right side of the screen to access NecMiner. We are currently improving our algorithm, and we are improving the accuracy of the algorithm also. For that, we are implementing more protein feature in our web server and in our algorithm. Next, our plan is to add protein simulation of these nitrification classes and to make this web server a user friendly. Thank you very much. Now it is open for the questions.